Hello everyone, I'm Masoud from Masoud Structural Studio. Notice that this tutorial is not complete. All of the videos in Patreon channel, and you can join and use this tutorial. In first step, we write the function by public void GTCL. Get linear load case for get data from ETABS by table data interface method. We can get all data that there is in our model. For a start, we write this code, declare an object for ETABS API. ETABS v1 points CO API. My ETABS object equal by null, and attempt to get the active ETABS object. After it, we initialize the CData base table object to interact with data table in ETABS. In this function, we want get load case definition linear static load case. In the first, we define a string table K and a string group name, and then define int table version, and then a string field case included. And another parameter is NOI, that is field case included length. It is length of this parameter for load case definition linear static load case. Now we want to return the table data. Then we write read equal by dbTables point get table for addition array, parentheses table K group name, ref table version, ref field K included, ref NOI, and then ref table data. After that, we get this table data. We write the code to ensure that this code work correctly. And then for this code, we write if and else if. This laws and rules after that. For this function, we get this function table data. We get this parameter from this function. One, number of columns, number of rows, and table data. In Windows 4 class, we call this function, and after that define int column, rows, and a string table data tb. We call the function get set point gtlc parentheses ref rows and columns and ref tb. After that, we call get set gtlc and we use sgd. sgd is a void that we input grid view and int row and columns and table data, and this void organizes these parameters in grid view data. Now you show, as you can see, this model is activated, and we select me button. As you can see, all of this table data item is in grid view data. There is in grid view data. As you can see, a linear static load case that there is in ETABS model created in grid view or plugin. Thanks for watching for this video. Don't forget subscribe and like this video, and subscribe in Patreon channel. for learn more. Bye.